Hi, I'm Andrew Bryant, a global expert on self-leadership and leading cultures. I will be speaking at the not to be missed People Matters Learning Development Conference 2019 in Mumbai, India. I have two sessions, a plenary speech entitled Learning to Reinvent for Tomorrow and a workshop for senior leaders and decision makers, people, culture and technology, a self-leadership approach. I'm really looking forward to sharing insights and what it takes for business to stay relevant and grow amidst a disruptive future. I'll be focusing on the role that learning has on winning, and we'll be making the case that this is not an expense to be budgeted for, but a core investment for growth. Having worked across the world coaching leaders and leadership teams of top global companies, I can share ideas and strategies that can make a tangible difference so that you will not only survive, but thrive. Join me, Andrew Bryant, at the People Matters Conference and take yourself and your organization to the next level.